Ready to access your ADP employee login? Our step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of logging into the ADP portal seamlessly. Let's simplify your payroll and HR management with ADP. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter es.adp.com into the address bar to access the website. Click on the Sign In button in the middle of the screen on the website. Enter your user ID as the first step of logging in, then click on the Next button. Afterwards, enter your password and click on the Sign In button. If you don't remember your password, don't worry. Click here to reset your password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on HR management and employee self-service tools. Your support motivates us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Thank you for watching.